Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python by doing. First, pick a simple project like a calculator or a basic game. This hands-on approach is key. Next, set up your coding environment, which usually involves installing Python and a good code editor. Then, remember to break down your chosen project into smaller, manageable parts. This makes the learning process less overwhelming and helps you celebrate small victories along the way. Let's get started. Consistent practice is vital for mastering Python. Dedicate time each day to writing code, even if it's just a few lines, to solidify your understanding. Don't hesitate to use online tutorials, official Python documentation, and forums when you encounter challenges or need to learn new concepts. Exploring different Python libraries, like NumPy for data or Flask for web development, will significantly broaden your capabilities and open up new project ideas. Keep coding. Debugging is an essential skill for any programmer. Learn to use your code editor's debugging features to step through your code and pinpoint errors efficiently. Regularly engage in coding challenges on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your problem-solving abilities. Familiarize yourself with common Python error messages. Understanding what a type error or indentation error means will save you a lot of time and frustration. Embrace errors as learning opportunities. Learning Python is a continuous journey. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to gain practical experience and collaborate with others. Join online communities, forums, or local meetups to connect with fellow developers, share knowledge, and find mentorship. Remember to stay hydrated while you code. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Keep exploring, keep building, and never stop learning. Your Python skills will grow immensely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.